So friends, the lunar date or tithi on which you are born gives very vital information regarding your personality traits and the matters of your marriage and the relationship. So talking about the Chaturthi Tithi, the fourth date of the lunar phase of the moon. So people born on the Chaturthi are found to be very intelligent, like especially when it comes down to their academic knowledge. People who hold many fancy degrees from the colleges, even in their day-to-day dealing, they are very good in taking all of their decision with rational intelligence, with discriminatory intelligence. Along with that, they have also found to be working in those fields where you gain because of the obstacles of other people. So obviously you can be doing that if you become a lawyer, or many of those successful professors, teachers and lecturers are found to be getting benefited because of their birth in the Chaturthi Tithi. Now when it comes down to the remedies, so some of the remedies described in our classics are worshipping Lord Ganesha, distributing the sweet, this dessert called as the laddu or the modak, to the kids on the Chaturthi. Although it is wrong to throw the garbage the city and the communities where you live, but if you are born on a Chaturthi Tithi, you do not have to do that. It will work against you. Some people recommend that if you have a garden, having some grass being over there is very good, because grass is also being offered to the Lord Ganesha as well. That will work in your favor. If you can support the educational institutions, it is a very good remedy. If you can pay for the tuition fee or books or education expense of an unprivileged child, that will work as a very good remedy. And we generally recommend that refrain from eating the sesame seeds on the Chaturthi. So these all are the remedies for the people born on the Chaturthi.